Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am on the main road of Ballards Valley, St. Elizabeth. So welcome back guys to the channel, welcome back. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So if you're just stopping by, you can hit the like button, share, and subscribe. And press the all icon so as soon as I upload a video, you would be notified. So I always give you some content, some good Jamaican contents, different era in Jamaica. So now we see different attraction also. So keep on watching guys. We just toured the main road of Ballards Valley this morning, going towards Junction Town in St. Elizabeth. So if you make a left turn, it can take you all to Red Bank, but straight back to Cheapside and place there. Morning side. Yeah man, as you can know, a lot of cooking take place in the junction side, them place the same way. Yeah, them love them cooking. So on your right you have the Ashley Drive. You are now entering Junction. So welcome to Junction, my people. One love and one heart. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah man, so on a weekend you can come to this jerk center on your right. You can get your roast fish, jerk chicken, jerk pork, everything them jerk liver, everything. Jerk chicken neck and everything, you know, so they can check out them place here. Yeah, that's the biker boys in Junction St. Elizabeth. So they do it in a junction, you know. Over here find the most fast cars also. They mostly believe in hundreds. Yeah, man, if you make a right turn, I take you out to both of them place there. So we're heading towards Junction Police Station on your left. So we are now leaving Junction. I think we're heading towards Cheapside area. Yeah man, so when you're in Cheapside, you can go to Morningside, Red Bank, all them place there. Witter and Son Funeral Home on your left. Yeah, everybody's supposed to know them parlor there. Witter and Son. So we are now in Gazeland. Yeah, man, so you have cheap sites, you have Gazeland. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.